Advanced technologies, the meat scraper can process many different types of meat without damaging the internal structure. In particular, meat scrapers also help reduce labor and risks for workers while optimizing the production process and minimizing material waste. With those advantages, meat scrapers play an indispensable role in meat processing plants and are an important part of the modern food industry. The image of each piece of fragrant meat just cut from the fresh step radiates an unmistakably attractive flavor. Each steak is meticulously cared for and prepared, from choosing the best ingredients to trimming each piece of meat to the perfect thickness and size. Bread packaging line is one of the important and indispensable parts in the mass. Bread production process. With high automation, this line helps increase productivity and efficiency of the packaging process while ensuring product quality and hygiene. The versatility of the line allows it to accommodate many different types of bread, from small to large bread, as well as a variety of bread types such as sandwich bread, loaf bread, or bread roll. With modern packaging technology, this line can automatically measure the amount of bread, package, and seal the bag accurately and quickly, helping to save time and effort for workers. Cupcakes are not only a sweet dessert but also a symbol of creativity and diversity in cuisine. Looking at the cupcakes with their smooth frosting, delicate decorations, and vibrant colors, we can't help but be fascinated by their beauty and appeal. Each cupcake is a small work of art, meticulously made from the selection of quality ingredients, harmonious combination of flavors and colors. Have you ever enjoyed the taste of popcorn? Popcorn is not only a popular snack but also symbol of the combination of delicious taste and relaxation. Each kernel of corn is roasted crispy and golden, accompanied by the fragrant scent of butter, creating a fascinating culinary experience. Not only is it an interesting snack, popcorn is also a great choice to enjoy at movie nights. Meetings with friends, or simply when you want to enjoy a special and interesting flavor. Taste. String cheese excavator is an important tool in cheese production and packaging process. This equipment is designed to automatically scoop cheese from large blocks of cheese and move them through the next steps in the production process. With flexibility. It seems like this digger doesn't miss any tree roots. Well done is better than well said. This craftsmanship will surely satisfy the customers with the perfect shade of green. There's something relaxing about watching the spray paints, like popping bubble wrap. Not even an old hot knife can deter him from delivering satisfaction. Do you recognize the unique technique the artist employs to create this masterpiece? Turns out this is the method through which a master builder cuts the bricks evenly. Are you ready to indulge in this eye-catching dessert? Make the excavator operator's day by showing your appreciation with a like.
Choosing quality raw materials is the first important step in the hoof production process. Only high-quality and carefully selected pork trotters are used to ensure the final product is delicious and nutritious. With thoroughness and dedication in every step of production, pork trotters are not only a delicious dish, but also a symbol of care and quality assurance from the manufacturer to the consumer. Golden pieces of chicken are not only a delicious meal, but also a symbol of care and love from the kitchen to the table. When enjoying the golden pieces of chicken, the attractive color and juicy taste of the chicken stimulates the taste buds and makes the serving more attractive. They not only captivate the taste buds, but are also an expression of concern for the family's health and nutrition. The combination of fresh meat and delicate dicing technique creates thin slices of meat, easily suitable for all types of dishes. Diced meat not only ensures delicious taste, but is also a source of food. Important protein for the body. Each cake packaged on this line is not only a product, but also a work of art created by the thoroughness and professionalism of the machines. From precise packaging to proper storage, this line helps cakes maintain their perfect shape and great taste. Looking at the cheese slices as thin as silk leaves, you can feel their softness and smoothness. This is not just a cheese cutting process, but also an art for food.